Hey there, this is Bryan. You don't know me. This is a very different channel than I'm normally on. You can check me out at Music Bryan James on YouTube. We've got a big thing that we're planning right now.
Ooh, I'm pumped today. We're going to be writing a song in 1 hour. But first, I need the guys that are going to be helping me write the song.
Oh! Hey, boy! Boy, oh boy!
So, basically, we've got 1 hour, no more, no less, to write a brand new song. We've not rehearsed anything beforehand or anything like that, have we? So
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
When do we
It's
start?
gonna be good, though.
3,
We're ready.
2, 1. Start the clock. Let's go. 60 minutes.
I guess you're creating the theme, and the theme is going to depend on the music. Right now I'm thinking something really pretty, so open tuning, so I prepared.
Sounds good.
Things like that.
That was 40 seconds. We basically wrote
pretty.
it already. I like the chilled vibe. I think we should. Do you think?
Yeah, 100%. Either that or hip hop.
Yeah.
And can't decide. For the night alone, it's far too hard to hide. I don't know. Like it could be tell a little story.
Sorry.
That's just an idea.
Cool, let's just,
What?
I think we embrace it and move forward.
Yeah.
How long has it been so
What
far?
have we got?
Show the camera. 56 minutes left remaining.
And it leaves room if we start low. That gives the ability, like, and we could really like.
There's our chorus, dude. 4, 5, and 6 is in right now.
Yeah, that's true. I hate that this is so crunched because I would have recorded what I just did, then listened back to it, then written out kind of the mumbles that I did, and now I have no idea what I sang before. God, we have absolutely nothing so far.
Kick us back with what you was playing.
Telling a story.
Yeah.
It's almost like you're writing in a journal.
For what it's worth.
Okay, great. For what it's worth. I'll be alright. Alright, for what it's worth. Jeez, I can't. For what it's can't decide. So, anyways, do you think we're gonna have any sponsorship issues that I have this Coca-Cola in it?
Maybe we'll have to blur it out.
This video is just gonna blow up. I'm so bad at lyrics, dude. So this is where I'm done. Like I'm dead right now. I can mumble stuff out, but
46 minutes.
26 minutes to go. We've got nothing.
a quarter of our time. Literally nothing.
It's alright. It's alright.
Okay, our scene. I'm imagining I'm at home. It's dark. The room is like coming from either the fire or like the oven. You know?
The oven?
I don't know, something like it's
I don't think
like obscure.
The microwave.
The kitchen light.
What if it's I don't know. I'm afraid to be alright. Place where it's like I've gotten over you, I've completely forgot about you, and I'm totally okay now. And I'm afraid of that moment happening.
Yeah, it's really great.
Deep. We need some mood lighting. Should we turn off the lights? See what happens.
That one day you're gonna be off my mind.
The one. Say it again.
Okay.
We have nothing. Okay, we need a bridge. Let's move on. We're stuck on. Oh, we're stuck.
Let's move on.
Da 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 bum 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 bum. No. Okay, doesn't work.
Change of mind straight away.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
I'll be alright.
Something will
At
come.
least everyone's gonna know that this isn't fake. Like this.
Oh man. If you can be on, if you can, you could
And you're spending all your time with
Pete.
Fucking Pete.
God.
It starts getting real.
If you.
20-minute range.
You're good.
Starts getting real.
What's a lonely alcohol? Scotch is lonely.
Scotch, I say whiskey. I'd say whiskey's your best bet.
What's a good dessert, you know, to have with whiskey? Pie?
Creme brulee.
Whiskey pie?
Creme brulee.
Whiskey pie. If you forgot the whiskey pie.
Drinking whiskey and rye. This'll be
January.
now.
How? 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 Big wheel. How? Nice and somber.
Dead. I'm done, man. I don't have any.
It's so hard. Whiskey pie. You wrote down whiskey. You wrote down whiskey pie.
Yeah, of course.
Whiskey pie.
The truth is I'm...
What's the first line?
Truth is I'm afraid to be alright. Oh, the truth is I'm afraid to be alright.
We're in.
Let's go.
We're fucking cooking on
We had
gas.
this 40 minutes ago, guys.
We're cooking
And
on
now
gas.
we're just saying it's good. Cruel, sing, phrase, fresh, stones, the ocean, crashing, the beach,
The night.
the night, clouds, sunlight, shining, sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Light.
Where are we right now? What do we have so far for the verse? Anything?
Nothing.
Nothing for the
Nothing.
verse?
Well, we've got whiskey pie. I just spit all over my
I'm
iPad.
a whiskey pie. That's a different song.
Okay, this is the freestyle rap part. We gotta just start freestyling. It's the only way. Yo, stink.
What about that one? The
Dishes.
here.
Dishes.
Dishes?
The night.
I'm a country star. Okay, country. We're just singing country. And what would a country?
Can't tell you why. I don't know why.
Can't say why.
My favorite bread is rye.
Whiskey pie.
Whiskey pie.
Mine too.
Guys, scrap all this. We're writing a country song called Whiskey Pie.
Might have been easier. Shit, we're on 8 minutes. Come on.
8 minute fluff.
Back to business.
Whiskey pie, the midnight train going on in the mountain rain and day.
Ay.
Truth is I'm afraid to be alright. And here you come back, I wonder for her. You know, the best thing that we have here, if there's anything, it's Jeff has created a great line. And Jeff, who first came here and said, I have nothing to give, he's the only one that's given one lyric that we've stuck to. So,
Whiskey Pie.
Jeff,
Whiskey
Jeff,
pie.
you should feel very good about
yourself.
yourself.
I don't feel good, man.
Is my camera even recording anymore?
Oh shit, mine might not. I think we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes and then we perform what we've got.
Well, we better get our
I don't
harmonies in
know.
order.
I'm watching TV, but all alone.
Yep. Danny's got the verse.
Something like that. We just use this bit.
Yep.
Used to walk.
All right, fellas, 1 hour, and we are ready to perform you our song debut.
Okay, so we've done an hour's worth of stuff, and we didn't hardly get anything. This is what we did get. This is called Off My Mind.
For what it's worth, I find the TV's on, but just to pass the time. The night's gone by, and I'm tired. Something about these are words we did not write. Oh, I can't say why. The truth is I'm afraid to be alright. The truth is I'm afraid to be alright. The truth is I'm afraid to be alright. And one day you may not be on my mind. The flight we used to own. I'm sad watching TV, but it's not our favorite show. It's on, but nobody's home. I can't say why. The truth is I'm afraid to be alright. The truth is I'm afraid to be alright. The truth is I'm afraid to be alright. And one day you may not be on my mind.
Ooh. What else we got?
Truth is I'm afraid to be alright.
It's cool though. There's some cool moments. There's some really cool moments in there.
A lot of talk about
Bryan.
TV.
Yeah, exactly.
There are some really, really cool moments in there.
It's a start of something.
I think it is a start, for sure,
100%,
for sure.
100%
And we
starts
really just need to give
Like
it.
the way you ended the song, I thought was really cool. And I think we didn't talk about that earlier. Truth is I bring it back down. Yeah, it's cool. Really cool. A lot of cool moments, man.
You know, this is good. I know we can do this. I know we can, if we do this a few times.
Maybe we need to just come back to it.
Well, maybe, like, we will. We will come back to
5
the
hour
song.
timer is what we need.
But
Limit.
we move on, and the next time we do this, we do a second song.
Yeah.
And this is kind of there. But I bet by the third or fourth song, we will be able to finish them in an hour.
The thing is, you'll know when to
I had fun
when
though.
to go like, right, let's move on, let's do this bit, or because I think we took too long on lyrics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's really easy to. I mean,
Yes, that's the hardest part.
it's really easy to get comfortable when you have 50 minutes left or 40 minutes left. But then when you look at the timer, you have like 15 minutes left, and then panic sets in. You're like, oh god.
So we need to panic earlier, really.
40 minutes, like shit.
But in what other? I mean, yeah, that's just if we're working with a time limit. I don't know. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's like a really good practice just to bat out songs in an hour or 2 hours, because it's like, man, I've spent. I don't know. I have a lot of, not a lot, but I have some unfinished songs. That's probably
Yeah,
just
a
because
lot of unfinished.
I'm sweating over like the tiniest details, you know. So maybe it's good to just like bat them out.
Yeah.
It's good practice. It's good practice.
Can we do like an outro for this video? Can we do
Yeah,
like,
what do you want to do? I normally say
should we
like,
disappear?
and then when you do this, yeah, it like.
I normally say like this, subscribe to my channel sort of thing. So
Oh,
you
yeah,
can do that
yeah.
if you want.
Nah, you should do that probably.
Should you
I
snap
don't
when
want.
we leave?
I don't want this to be messed up.
These writers are trash.
It didn't work. Fuck.
All they do is talk about TV and pie.
And whiskey pie.
Whiskey pie. I think that should be the next theme for our song. The next time we do this, whiskey pie.
Do they have whiskey pie in Murano?
I've never heard of whiskey pie.
No, neither have I.
I've heard whiskey and rye. Is that where he was going?
I like whiskey pie.
I'm a big fan.
Okay,
Whiskey
well
pie,
help
great
us
whiskey pie.
or let us help you do the subscribe. Did you just get up close to the camera and talk to it, or?
It's been done in many different ways, so just had to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of this video, and then give me some comments, give me some feedback.